Hey everyone, thanks for watching again. Today we've got a 2013 International Prostar single bunk sleeper, manual 10-speed transmission, 524,000 miles on the odometer. While you're watching, please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well. Please like and share our content. This truck comes with a fresh DOT inspection. It has been checked out thoroughly by a third-party shop. It is road ready for you guys. As always, all of our trucks are fleet purchased, fleet maintained vehicles. And that third-party shop that we hire here in Indianapolis goes through every truck very thoroughly. We want to make sure that you guys are ready to hit the road immediately. Got aluminum wheels throughout. You can always check us out online on our website. You can see there on the mud flaps, exceleratetrucks.com. We manage that website daily with our current and accurate inventory. All of our true and exact pricing is there as well for each individual truck. Trucks starting at $1,500 down. There's no hidden fees, no surprises. A very transparent lease company. The price you see there is exactly what you would expect to pay when you come in to pick up your truck. No gimmicks, just real, true pricing. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Take a look at the odometer here. It's hard to see, let me get it closer. There we go. 524,056 on the odometer. 524,056 miles. Actually, 50. Sorry, 524,050 miles. A little sun glare on that. Manual 10-speed transmission. AC's blowing cold. Check out the bunk. Like I said, it is a single bunk mid-roof. It is a stand-up. I'm standing up right now. A lot of clearance here. Lots of room for the mid-roof. Bunk controls. Go outside and roll the hood. Alright, there you have it. That is the 2013 International Prostar. 524,050 miles on the odometer. Manual 10-speed transmission. Single bunk sleeper. It is a mid-roof, but you see it's got the roof cap on there. Again, as always, please check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Follow us online there. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Appreciate you guys watching.